Hi boys and girls! Today we are going to learn a new phonogram, E-A. Now the rule for E-A is that it makes a long E sound, and it's usually in the beginning or middle of a word. So E-A says E. Let's say that 3 times. E-A says E. E-A says E. E-A says E. Good job. Alright, we're going to look at a few words that have E-A in them. Our first word is seal. Repeat. Okay, seal. S-E-L. It's an animal that lives in the ocean. Alright, our next word is meat. Repeat. M-E-T. Meat. Something that we can eat. Alright, our next word is deal. Repeat. D-E-L. Deal. It's like a promise or something that you make with someone else. A deal. Okay. Steam. Repeat. This finger spell. St-E-M. Like when water gets really hot, it'll create steam. Alright, our next word is cream. Repeat. K-R-E-M. Cream. Like ice cream or whipped cream. All the good cream, the dairy cream. Alright, our next word is heel. Repeat. H-E-L. Heel. Like when you have a sore, you need time to heal it. It'll heal itself. Alright, let's read these words one more time. Seal, meat, deal, steam, cream, heal. Awesome job. Alright, then for the next part, I need you to get out your learning log. And we are going to go on to words to write. I need you to write or make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Because you're going to write words for each of the pictures. If you want to pause my video, pause it, make your lines, and then come back. Alright, welcome back. My first word is flee. Repeat. Let's finger spell. E. Remember, we're using E-A says E. E. Alright, let's uncover this jumping flea. F-L-E-A. Give yourself a happy face if you got it correct. Alright, my next word is dream. Repeat. Alright, let's finger spell. D-E-M. D-E-M. Dream. When you go to sleep at night, you will have a dream. Alright, let's uncover our dream. Alright, dream is spelled D-R-E-A-M. Give yourself another happy face if you got that one correct. Alright, my third word is beach. Repeat. Beach. Okay, let's finger spell. B-E-Ch. B-E-Ch. Oh, I hear a lot of sounds in that word. A lot of phonograms. Alright, let's uncover beach. Look. B-E-A-C-H. B-E-A-C-H. Give yourself another happy face if you got that one correct. If I move too fast, pause the video so that you get every single word correctly. Alright, my next word is eat. Repeat. Eat. Let's finger spell. Eat. Eat. do we spell eat? If you said E-A-T, you got it correct. E-A-T spells eat. All right, we're going to go on to our fifth picture. Our fifth picture is team. Repeat. Team. Ta-E-M. Ta-E-M. Team. When you work together, you create a team. If you wrote T-E-A-M, you got it 100% correct. Good job. Another smiley face. All right. Your next word is leap. Repeat. Leap. Let's finger spell. L-E-P. L-E-P. Leap. You jump up high. You will leap. All right. L-E-A-P. If you wrote leap, you are correct. All right, our last word is a little bit trickier, but I think you can do it. Our last word is wreath. Repeat. Wreath. All right, let's finger spell. W-R-E. W-R-E. Wreath. I'll do it one more time just to double check. W-R-E. Something you can hang on your door made out of plants. All right, are you ready for the big reveal? W-R-E-A-T-H. Wreath. All right, very good, boys and girls. Today's lesson is over so quick. If you want to do an extended activity, I would choose one of these words, create an amazing sentence for it, and then draw a picture. Please send it to your teacher to show them what you've been learning in MSL. So I might choose the word beach and say, I love going to the beach on the North Shore and having shaved ice. You know, I really like to add those words into my sentence to make it longer. So I'm going to let you do that. See you next week. Aloha!